April 19th, 2024, around 11:28 p.m., 911 received a call that they described as an open, silent line. No one was there. The caller hung up, and as is their protocol, dispatch called that number back to see if anybody needed help. The caller answered when dispatch called them back, and it was Jordan Palmer. I anticipate you'll have the opportunity to hear that 911 call, and you'll hear that the man that was shot accused Mr. Palmer of trying to get in someone's vehicle. I anticipate you'll hear on that call that Mr. Palmer claims that man verbally threatened him and was swinging at him. And in response, Mr. Palmer fired a gun at him 7 times. That man was Stephen Campbell. Officer Eichen ordered Palmer to lie on the ground and observed a pistol laying close to Mr. Campbell's head. I anticipate you will hear testimony that there was no connection found. There's no reason to believe that these men never met or had any knowledge of each other. No prior history with each other. What you will see is there was one gun found on scene, and the evidence does not support Mr. Palmer's claim that he was being attacked prior to the shooting. That when Mr. Palmer shot Mr. Campbell, he committed the offense of deliberate homicide, and I would ask at the close of all of the evidence that you find him guilty of deliberate homicide.
I was just confronted and attacked by a dude on the street. That was the first thing that Jordan Palmer said when he called 911 on April 19th, 2024. Jordan called the police. He told them that he was attacked, but the police conducted an investigation that was not thorough. It was not detailed. After you hear the evidence that is available about all the mistakes that were made by the police investigation, I expect that you will find that Jordan was attacked, that he acted in self-defense, and that he is not guilty of deliberate homicide. The police gathered the video that you get to watch, and the state's gonna say, well, you can't really see anything, and sorry about that. That's the police officer's fault. They could get a subpoena or a search warrant that would allow them to get that original raw video from Vivint. They didn't do that. The police discovered no motive. There is no explanation for why Mr. Palmer would have shot a man who wasn't attacking him. You, ladies and gentlemen, are going to be the check on our government. You are going to be asked to determine, did the police investigate and did the state prove that Mr. Palmer intended to cause the death of Stephen Campbell without acting in self-defense? I believe that you will find that Stephen Campbell did attack Jordan, that Jordan was forced to react, and the police never gave either of these men the diligent and thorough investigation that they deserved.